So, all right, here we go. So we're gonna see what they sent me. Hey, what's up everyone? It's See Me Naturally here. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and like, leave a comment if you have a question, and subscribe if you love my content. So today I have, I guess, kind of a treat for either me or for you guys. I don't know. Mielle Organics sent me something in the mail and I didn't purchase anything. So today I'm about to do an unboxing with you all and see exactly what they sent me. Now I did purchase something like maybe over a month ago, but I've already got my products in the mail. And so seeing this, I was like, I didn't purchase anything, and I'm hoping they're not taking money from me without knowing it. So I checked my bank statement, and Mielle didn't charge me for anything else other than what I purchased like over a month ago. So I don't know. We're just gonna open today and see what they sent me. Okay, so I brought my scissors, got them here. We're gonna just open this together. Okay, now I'll say the way that they have this taped on here looks kind of like DIY. So I don't really know. You know, the boxes that they send their products in is really nice, but I mean, this packaging per se, it really looks like they kind of just threw it together. No offense, Mielle. Like, the presentation could have been a little bit better, but I guess we're like, it's free. So, all right, here we go. So we're gonna see what they sent me. Okay. Oh, all right. So it looks like I got a letter of some sort from Mielle, and then they sent me pen. I lose pens all the time, so that's nice. Okay, so these are like little sample products. Oh, it's the rice water collection. So the moisturizing milk, excellent for length retention. So I got this, the sample pack, and then they sent me the Hawaiian ginger moisturizing hair butter. So I purchased their, I believe from the same line, I purchased their deep conditioner, which I will say, I should do a separate video of Mielle Organic products because I really did like a lot how the deep conditioner was working with my hair. So maybe I'll do a review video of their products. But yeah, so it looks like they sent me 2 pens, which is really nice. A letter, which I'll read to you all in a minute, and 2 trial products. Now, I will say, I don't know how the whole mail system works or how much it costs them to send stuff in the mail, but I'm like, this is a big old box for 2 sample products, a letter, and 2 pens. That's just my opinion though. I'll leave it at that. Okay, so I'm gonna read this letter. Let's see what they sent to me. Okay. So it's more kind of like a postcard rather than a letter, and it's signed by the CEO and COO. And it says, "Dear Marvin." Did they send this to the wrong person? I'm Courtney. I'm not Marvin. But I will gladly accept these sample products though. So it says, "Dear Marvin, your first Mielle experience should always be your best experience." Well, probably should have got my name right if you were gonna make that statement, but it's whatever. "During these changing and dire times, your loyal and unending support has allowed Mielle Organics to learn and grow. Though we are excited by this process, we are saddened to hear that you truly missed out on best-in-class service by our third-party fulfillment partner. As a result, this has affected our experience and failed to meet your expectations as our Mielle family. We are writing to let you know that we are doing everything in our power to regain your trust, learn from our mistakes, and provide solutions that reestablish the quality experience that you have grown to expect. As a thank you for your patience in an effort to make amends, we have provided a few extra tokens of our appreciation. We know this cannot erase the inconvenience that you have experienced, but we hope this will be a positive step towards rebuilding our relationship. Sincerely, Monique Rodriguez, CEO of Mielle Organics, and Melvin Rodriguez, COO of Mielle Organics. Okay, so it looks like this is an apology package of some sort, or a way to compensate for the inconvenience. Here's the problem. I'm not Marvin. I'm Courtney. So in them sending this to me, I can only imagine how much more of an inconvenience they might be going through right now. However, I will not be packaging this back up and sending it to Mielle. Really appreciate it. From my personal experience, it took a little bit of time for me to get my products. It took a while actually, but I accounted for the fact that we're in the middle of a pandemic. They're probably just trying to do their best to get products out to customers. In terms of like the products themselves, I like Mielle Organic products, at least the ones that I purchased. So for them to send me, I guess, an apology or inconvenience, what I like to call it, package, and they send it to the wrong person is like, I don't know. Hopefully Marvin reached back out to Mielle. So yeah, I learned 2 things today. One, if you do make a complaint to Mielle, it seems like they'll send you a nice sort of, I guess, care package or I'm sorry inconvenience package with a few sample products. I would suggest, if they were going to send this type of thing, that they may choose smaller packaging. But like I said, there may be some sort of way they've worked the postal system where if they send it in their big packages, it's at one flat rate. I know nothing about that. All I'm saying is I just got the rice water sample pack that I will be trying today. And I also got the moisturizing hair butter that I'll be trying today. So thanks, Mielle. I think it would have felt a little bit nicer if I knew it was intentionally for me rather than a mistake, but it is what it is. All right, so that's the end of this video. I'm really interested in hearing you all's thoughts on Mielle Organic, whether you like the company, you like their products, you like their service. So leave a comment down below if you have a question or if you just have an impression overall. Also, don't forget to subscribe because you know it's free and it helps me to grow this channel. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to love yourself and thanks for seeing me naturally. Bye y'all.